Okay, you know that your family is spoiled when they just won't enjoy a cup of hot chocolate because they know that mom can make whipped cream at the snap of a finger. And go figure, I got called out again. And I figured, alright, I gotta make up some whipped cream. And I'm gonna sit there and show you how we do it in this household. So I get my whipped cream dispenser out. I grab my heavy whipping cream, and I'll grab about a tablespoon or so of powdered sugar and sit there and make them up some. So I figured I'd bring you along. So with that all being said, I'm gonna grab my whipped cream dispenser here. We're gonna sit there, take the cover off, and we're gonna add our ingredients to the inside. And we have a max fill line on ours, so you don't want to go above that. So I just sit there and take my heavy whipping cream and just simply pour it. Then I add 1 tablespoon of my powdered sugar. We take our cover, we simply put our cover on. Now, put that off to the side, put the heavy whipping cream off to the side. Now, I have a cartridge, a CO2 cartridge that is. I have my cartridge container, and now we're gonna sit there and grab our whipped cream dispenser and our CO2 cartridge along with the CO2 cartridge container. Twist that all on. Now listen. That's all our CO2 that was released down inside. Now go ahead and give this a few good shakes and take off our CO2 cartridge and simply dispose of this. Go ahead, take your hot chocolate and go ahead and add some of that delicious whipped cream.